All right, y'all heard you loud and clear. Let's get into this spaghetti squash recipe that is completely plant-based. And before you get turned off, when I tell you this is better than the best of the best, we're going to start off by making that spaghetti squash soft. You're going to put it in the microwave for about 4 minutes. Then you're going to go ahead and cut it. This makes it so much easier to cut so you don't have to cut yourself. Next, you're going to scoop out the insides and be careful because it is semi-partially cooked. Then you're going to go ahead and put some olive oil on it. And if you have Red House seasoning, which is the best seasoning, you're going to go ahead and use that. And also use my golden chick seasoning that you could get at chefjoyasness.com. Next, you're going to put this in the oven on 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. Then you're going to go ahead and saute your veggies. And do not fret, I'm going to list all the ingredients that I use in the description box below. That is some plant-based sausage that I'll be using. And I'm also going to add in some vegan Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm going to give that a nice mix around, add in some fresh spinach. Next, your girl is going to use this dairy-free Boursin cheese. As I always say, ain't no fun unless the vegans can have some. Next, we're going to also go ahead and put in our dairy-free Chobani oat milk and extra creamy. And I am showing you specific ingredients. If you want it to taste just like mine, do exactly as I do. Next, we're going to add some hot sauce, some crushed red peppers, some basil paste. Then we're going to go ahead and add in some more of my golden chick seasoning. Next, you're going to take the Daiya cheese, the mozzarella. And when y'all think vegan cheese don't melt, baby, Daiya about to show you what it's going to do, because it's going to do the dang old thing. I thought I heard it say something. Vegan cheese don't melt. Where is it not melted? Okay, that's what I thought. Next, we're going to go ahead and turn it off, remove it from heat, add in some tomatoes. And then we're going to go ahead and take our squash. Now, you see, I got mine roasted. Some of y'all be worried about it being soggy in the middle because y'all be cooking it like other people be telling y'all to do it. Don't do that. Make sure you roast it, baby. Get some of that brownness on it. Pour some of that plant-based butter on it. Then you're going to go ahead and put your mixture on top of it and fill it to the gauze. Fill it to its top. And if you want to be extra, put it under broiler with a little bit more cheese for about 3 minutes. And look at that. Look at that. When I tell you, this is absolutely delicious and the best spaghetti squash recipe that I ever had. Shout out to Go to Sierra again on TikTok at the original recipe. That was not a plant-based version, but you know your girl had to do it big for anyone that doesn't eat meat, cheese, or anything like that. Try it out, and I guarantee you're going to love it. And be sure to follow Chef Joya for the best vegan recipes there is. This just might be the recipe to bring the vegans and the non-vegans together. Ciao.